One thing about Thailand is they have imported lots of foreign things. I mean, you can't go around without finding a 7-Eleven. You will find a McDonald's. And one other thing they've really imported from the outside world is Boba from Taiwan. So let's take a look at what Thai boba is going to be like. They have a standard milk tea boba as well as some Thai tea bobas. So let's go ahead and grab some bobas and see what they taste like. So if you've never seen boba before, this is a standard Taiwanese milk tea. This one is the Thai tea. This one is Thai coffee. And this one is taro milk tea. So one thing is you use these big straws, big opening because the tapioca balls have to fit inside. So let's start with the one that they came from Taiwan and let's see how theirs tastes here in Thailand. Very cool. You really taste the sweetness. A lot of milk, a lot of sugar, tea flavor, milk flavor, sugar. It's your standard Taiwanese milk tea. Nothing different here in Thailand. So let's try Thai milk tea. Now, if you've ever been to a Thai restaurant in America or anywhere, even in Thailand, you'll have a Thai milk tea offering. You can have that. You can see the bobas down here. Little pearls of tapioca. They're really soft and chewy. These are good tapioca. I've had some that aren't so soft and chewy, so here though they were good. So let's try the Thai milk tea version. So if you're not aware, the Thai tea is from a black tea. It's more like, you know, the black tea that you get plus the milk, plus the cream and the sugar. This is very good. It tastes like Thai tea, except with boba inside. One thing else you all notice is very common in Thailand. Every time we go to one of these places, they pretty much fill it up with ice. So you have about half ice, half drink, maybe even 3/4 ice, 2/3 ice, and the rest is the drink. The next one across is Thai coffee. So it's just coffee. There we go. So it's just coffee with milk inside and some sort of sweetener. It looked like they're pouring in condensed milk actually for the milk part, and probably some sugar in there as well. Some sugar, corn syrup, or whatever syrup they're using. Let's see. Thai coffee. I want to say something about it. Wow. This one tastes like a nice dark cup of coffee, a little bit of cream, a little bit of sugar, boba, and cold. So just like a cold coffee from America. Really just tastes really strong coffee flavor in that one. You really can taste the coffee. And last, lastly, we got a taro flavor. We do like taro in our boba. In America, we often get like a taro slush or a taro smoothie with boba instead of tea. This is a taro tea, so let's see how the taro connects with the tea flavor. A little bit of tea, a little bit of taro mixed together. Not bad, really. Very sweet and very refreshing, especially on a hot day in Thailand, because every day in Thailand is hot. So if you are looking for boba in Thailand, you can probably find one within 50 paces wherever you are. They are all over the place. In Phuket, in Chiang Mai, and in Bangkok, you saw lots of boba shops. And it's no surprise that the Taiwan craze has made its way into Thailand as well.
So what's the best one?
The best one. Best one, if I were to choose one of these, I'd probably go with the Thai tea. That's usually my favorite. I've had Thai tea right before. It's really good, but I have to stay away from caffeine. It gives me headaches. But honestly, I do like a good Thai tea. The black tea with the milk and the sugar. And often in America, it's a coconut milk, so it's really good, really tasty. And this is the one I would probably choose if I was just going to choose one.